I gave Kataman bail matter. My lord adjourned to 1310, but could not reach bail matter. Regular bench now. Yes.
Supplemental list. Item number 1.
Yes, item number.
I may be pardoned, I am in virtual connection. I am for the accused Mohammed Afiq Ansari. My lord, I am behind the judicial custody since September, my lord, on 11th of September. And moreover, I have been falsely entangled in this case to the alleged offences. My lord, I may kindly be, if at all the Annexer 1, which is the FIR, may be considered at best that I am in possession of the stolen property which has already been seized, my lord. And I am suffering from cancer and I am taking chemotherapy. It is the Annexer 3 is the document to suffice my treatment is going on. And moreover, all the offences that has been alleged against me is falsely being entangled. I am nowhere in the offence scene. I have not been on the first charge frame, on the first offense when it was been done by the police, Talcher police. I have never been entangled with section 331 and 305, my lord. And moreover, I am a cancer patient. I am behind the bar almost 2 months, my lord. I may be enlarged on bail under any terms and conditions, my lord. My lord, with permission, Annexer 3 is the treatment I am taking, and behind when I am in the judicial custody, my family members are in dead streets. I am the sole bread earner also.
Okay.
Yes. Altogether 69 lakhs.
Oh, that has been recovered. And, what is it that even custody for about 2 months, but
2 months.
not 2 months actually. When he was taken into custody? When you were arrested?
11/9, my lord. 11th of September this year, 2025. Almost 2 months, sir. And all the articles that in the crime has already been seized by the police of Talcher.
How many criminal antecedents you have?
No single, not at all, sir. No, not a single antecedent, sir. And I am in this business since last 20 years in the Talcher town, my lord.
What is your good name?
The accused is Mohammed Afiq Ansari.
No, Law and Council, your name.
I am Biswaranjan Patnaik, sir. B.R. Patnaik.
You are appearing from where? From Bhubaneswar.
From Bhubaneswar, my lord. From Bhubaneswar, my lord.
Heard Mr. Vishwaranjan Patnaik, Young Council, appearing through virtual mode. Considering the submission made by the Land Council for the petitioner, that the petitioner is in the judicial custody since 11/9/2025, and the stolen property have already been recovered, and The investigation has made substantial progress, and there is no criminal antecedent against the petitioner. The petitioner is suffering from cancer. Copy of the medical document to that effect has been annexed to the bail application. After hearing the land counsel for the state, who also submitted that the stolen articles have been recovered and the petitioner has got no criminal antecedent, I'm inclined to release the petitioner on bail allowed.
Condition.
We shall not indulge in any criminal activities and appear before the land trial court on each date to read the case shall be posted for trial. Violation of any terms and conditions shall entail cancellation of bail.
Obliged, ma'am.
Item 2.
So is there.
Also, there notice to one of the offenses 6 books, so notice has to.
No, good that case.
One diary and that statement of the victim and medical exemption report, that is, yes.
Item 3.
T9C.
92. The minor is this. You are having 49 criminal and 3 item 3, 5, 8, 9. File the comprehensive affidavits in all these cases. The land counsel for the state has pointed out from the rejection order that the petitioner has got 49 criminal antecedents. The land counsel for the petitioner seeks some time to obtain instruction in respect of all such criminal antecedents and file a comprehensive affidavit relating to the status of those cases, serving a copy on the land counsel for the state. Which are the items? Same order to be passed. Item 3, 5. Just a minute. Item 3, 5, 8. 8, 9.
Item 4.
May I please, my lordship, how many received from Koraput, my lordship?
Land counsel, one of the offenses under section 6 of POCSO Act.
Yes, my
is to go to the informant. So you file the requisites or give a copy, extra copy, so that it will be, yes, notice there.
my lord. Obliged.
Mostly. There was a statute offense number 1031 of 85 and 238 of the
103 is there.
Hmm?
City is required.
What are the offenses?
103,
135 and 238 of the
302.
302. Acha. You have not received the case diary. CD and criminal antecedents. Yes, next.
Item 7.
Even mayor. No, in this case, I am appearing for sub item 9044/2025, 9125 of 225. In the meantime, the petitioners have already released on bail and deferred due to non-submission of charges.
All the petitioners.
All the petitioners
I am for the 10,718 and 10,700.
touch.
Just the land the land counsel for this petition submits that petitioner has been released on bail in the court below as charge sheet was not submitted in the stipulated period. Accordingly, he doesn't want to trace this application. The bail application is disclosed or not traced. Hello. That is ethical matter. So, 7, 1, 2, 3,
Short amount.
short other.
Okay.
English please. So what am I pressing? What am I? Subtraction. Yeah.
Item number 10.
confirm है ठीक है 5 kg
5 kg
200 ग्राम है बस
5 kg
वो लिखा है कि
मतलब रिजेक्ट हो
rejection of 5 kg, 5 kg, 200.
Rejection order.
Yeah. And date of custody,
date of first 10/9
10/9/25
10/9/2025, lesser than commercial quantity allowed. Next.
Item 11.
7 Pokso is there.
Acha, 6 Pokso is there. So notice has to go, no? Yeah.
Item 12.
20B2B, 5 kg 145 gram, no entry.
10 kg 200 gram.
10 kg.
Yes, 10 kg 145 gram.
5 kg कौन सी?
2 is
10/9/2025.
10/9/2025.
Acha, 10/9/2025.
And that belongs to FP. That
Acha, outside.
Outside.
Address verification of local security देखिए. Yes. Allowed.
Item 13.
23 kg.
23 kg ganja.
Commercial quantity. CD of criminal anti-social. Yes, negative.
Item 14.
Conversation 302. Oxford since 25/6/2025.
ठीक है, there is
Mirror.
cash line. Every consideration.
25/6/2025.
25/6. 2025. Name of the deceased?
Name of the
Kalu Mohan.
Huh?
Kalu Mohan.
Kalu Mohanto.
Kalu Mohan, no?
Kala Kumar Mahananda.
Ola?
Kolaka.
Olaka?
Kola Kumar Mohananda.
कौन इतना नाम कौन ମୁଁ କିଛି ବୁଝିପାରୁନି ନାଁଟା କଣ ତିନିଟା ଚାରିଟା ନାଁ ଆପଣ କହିଲେନି ଠିକ ସେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ
କଳା କୁମାର ମହାନନ୍ଦ
କଳା କୁମାର
ମହାନନ୍ଦ
ମହାନନ୍ଦା
ମହାନନ୍ଦ
ମହାନନ୍ଦ କେବେ ଅକରେନ୍ସ ଡେଟ୍ କେବେ
21/5/2025
eyewitnesses are there
yes my lord very usual eyewitness
कौन नाम कौन
सुरेंद्र महानंद
सुरेंद्र
Mahananda is the son of the deceased.
कौन होता स्टेटमेंट
I have annexed that matter in page 51. Full of things and all kinds.
51 सुरेंद्र
Right.
कौन
ମୋ ନା ସୁରେନ୍ଦ୍ର ମହାନନ୍ଦ ଆଜି ପୋଲିସରେ ଯବାନ ବନିଛେ ଗତ 21/5/2025 ଆମ ଘରେ ଥିଲି ସେଇ ସମୟରେ ଆମ ଗାଁର ବିପିନ ମହାନନ୍ଦ ଉପେନ୍ଦ୍ର ମହାନନ୍ଦ
ये accused ना आइले रहिबे ये कौन सिंगल पिटिशनर ना
ନାଇଁ ଏଇଟାରେ
Number of
other accounts, other accused persons matter through BC matter.
अच्छा वो एटा तीनटा केतरा पर्सन
I bail applications.
ମୁଁ ଆଜ୍ଞା ତିନିଟା ପାଇଁ
5 ଜଣ
ସବୁଥିରେ ଜଣେ ଜଣେ ଅଛନ୍ତି
ନାଇଁ ଫାଷ୍ଟ ବେଲ୍ ଆପ୍ଲିକେସନ ନେବାର ଦିଲ୍ଲୀପ କୁମାର ମହାନନ୍ଦ ଆଉ ରମେଶ ସାଗର
जस्ट a minute
907.
item number 14 da
ଆଜ୍ଞା
10703 of 25 petitioner is only one petitioner or more than that
two person ଦିଲ୍ଲୀପ ମହାନନ୍ଦ ଆଉ ରମେଶ ସାଗର
କଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଏଟା ସହଦେବ ମହାନନ୍ଦ ଜଣେ ଅଛନ୍ତି
ସହଦେବ ମହାନନ୍ଦ that is ଫାଷ୍ଟ ବେଲ୍ ଆପ୍ଲିକେସନ
just a minute
ଏଟା ଗୋଟେ ସିଙ୍ଗଲ
ସହଦେବ अच्छा तापरे दुईटा हल्ला तमारा कौन 9874
9874 my lord
9874 हल्ला दिलीप
ଆଉ ରମେଶ ସାଗର
रमेश तापरे हल्ला 9912
Prasanna Mahananda.
तापरोटा हल्ला 9913
Upendra
Mahananda.
एती तो ना आउट है ना 10-10733 Mahesh Prashant. ପଢାଇ ତମେ ଯୋଉ ଷ୍ଟେଟମେଣ୍ଟ ପଢନ୍ତୁ ତ ମୋର
ମୋର ନାମ ସୁରେନ୍ଦ୍ର ମହାନନ୍ଦ ଆଜି ପୋଲିସ ଆଗରେ ଜବାନ ଯେ ଗତ 21/5/2025 ଦିନ ପ୍ରାୟ 5:30 ବଜେ ଆମ ଘରେ ଥିଲି ସେହି ସମୟରେ ଆମ ଗାଁର ବିପିନ ମହାନନ୍ଦ ଉପେନ୍ଦ୍ର ମହାନନ୍ଦ ପ୍ରସନ୍ନ ମହାନନ୍ଦ ସହଦେବ ମହାନନ୍ଦ ଓ ମହେଶ ମହାନନ୍ଦ ଆମ ଘର ଭିତରୁ ଜୋରଦାର ଆସି ମୋର ବାପା କଳା କୁମାର ମହାନନ୍ଦକୁ ସ୍ଲାଙ୍ଗ ଲାଙ୍ଗୁଏଜ ମାନେ ବାହାରକୁ ଟାଣିନେଲେ ସେମାନେ ହାତରେ ଲାଠି ଠେଙ୍ଗା ଓ ଲୁହା ଲଡ ଧରିଥିଲେ ବାହାର କରି ତାକୁ ମାରପିଟ କରିବା ସମୟରେ ମୁଁ ଓ ମୋର ଭାଇ ପୀତାମ୍ବର ମହାନନ୍ଦ ମୋର ବା ଜାମ୍ବ ମହାନନ୍ଦ ଭାଉଜ ଜୟନ୍ତୀ ତାକୁ ବଞ୍ଚାଇବାକୁ ଯାଇ ଉକ୍ତ ଲୋକମାନଙ୍କୁ ଆମକୁ ମଧ୍ୟ ବାଡ଼ି ଠେଙ୍ଗାରେ ପିଟିଥିଲେ ଆମ ଗାଁର ବିଭୂତି ମହାନନ୍ଦ ଅଶ୍ୱିନୀ ମହାନନ୍ଦ ମଧ୍ୟ ଘଟଣା ଜାଗାକୁ ଆସି ବଞ୍ଚାଇବାକୁ ଯାଇ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରି ମଧ୍ୟ ମାରପିଟ କଲେ ଘଟଣା ସମୟରେ ଉପେନ୍ଦ୍ର ମହାନନ୍ଦ ପ୍ରସନ୍ନ ମହାନନ୍ଦ ସହଦେବ ମହାନନ୍ଦ ମହେଶ ମହାନନ୍ଦ ମୋର ବାପାକୁ ଧରି ପକାଇଲେ ଓ ବିପିନ ମହାନନ୍ଦ ଏକ ଲୁହା ରଡରେ ମୋର ବାପାକୁ ମୁଣ୍ଡ ପିଟିବାରୁ ତାଙ୍କ ମୁଣ୍ଡ ଫାଟି ଅଚେତ ହୋଇ ପଡିଲେ ତାଙ୍କ ମୁଣ୍ଡରୁ ରଖିଲେ ଏହା ଦେଖି ବିପିନ ମହାନନ୍ଦ ଉପେନ୍ଦ୍ର ମହାନନ୍ଦ ପ୍ରସନ୍ନ ମହାନନ୍ଦ ସହଦେବ ମହାନନ୍ଦ ମହେଶ ମହାନନ୍ଦ ଘଟଣାରେ ଲାଠି ଓ ଲୁହା ରଡ ଦୌଡ଼ିକି ପଳାଇଗଲେ ମାଡ଼ ଦ୍ୱାରା ମୋର ବାମ ହାତ ଓ ଡାହାଣ ହାତୀ ଆଘାତ ହୋଇଛି This is the allegation.
So occurrence took place on 21/5.
My lord.
When the deceased died.
This is tried, my lord, in the next day.
Burla, he was shifted to Burla Hospital.
My lord.
Another witness, my lord, Premananda Sahu, with the neighbor of that.
Just a minute.
Next day he died.
Premananda
ସାହୁ ମୋର ନାମ ପ୍ରେମାନନ୍ଦ ସାହୁ ଶିମିଲଗୁଡିଆର କଳା କୁମାର ମହାନନ୍ଦ ଘର ଆଗରେ ମୋର ଘର ଆଜି ପୋଲିସ ଆଗରେ ଦେବାର ବୟାନ ହେଇକି ଯେ 21/5 ଦିନ ସମୟ 4ଟା ବାଜେ ଆମେ ମୁଇଁ ମୋର ଘର ଆଡେ ଥିଲି ସେଇ ସମୟରେ ପାଟିତୁଣ୍ଡ ଶୁଣିଲି ଆଉ କଳା କୁମାର ମହାନନ୍ଦ ଘର ଆଡକୁ ଯାଇକରି ଦେଖିଲି ଯେ ଆମ ଗାଁରେ ବିପିନ ମହାନନ୍ଦ ଉପେନ୍ଦ୍ର ମହାନନ୍ଦ ପ୍ରସନ୍ନ ମହାନନ୍ଦ ସହଦେବ ମହାନନ୍ଦ ଓ ମହେଶ ମହାନନ୍ଦ ମିଶି କଳା କୁମାର ମହାନନ୍ଦ ପୀତାମ୍ବର ମହାନନ୍ଦ ସୁରେନ୍ଦ୍ର ମହାନନ୍ଦ ଜୟନ୍ତ ମହାନନ୍ଦ ଜମ୍ବା ମହାନନ୍ଦ ଲାଠି ଠେଙ୍ଗା ଓ ଲୁହା ରଡ ଧରିକରି ମାରପିଟ କରୁଥିଲେ ମୁଇଁ ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ ମନା କଲି ନାଇଁ ମାର ମରିଯିବ ବୋଲି କରି କିନ୍ତୁ ସେମାନେ ମୋର କଥା ନାଇଁ ଶୁଣିଲେ ମୁଇଁ ଦେଖିଲି ଉପେନ୍ଦ୍ର ମହାନନ୍ଦ ପ୍ରସନ୍ନ ମହାନନ୍ଦ ସହଦେବ ମହାନନ୍ଦ ଓ ମହେଶ ମହାନନ୍ଦ ମିଶି କଳା କୁମାର ମହାନନ୍ଦକୁ ଧରି ପକେଇଲେ ଓ ବିପିନ ମହାନନ୍ଦ ଏକା ଲୁହା ରଡରେ କଳାକାର ମହାନନ୍ଦ ମୁଣ୍ଡକୁ ଫୁଟି ଦେବାରୁ ତାର ମୁଣ୍ଡ ଫାଟି ସେ ଅଚେତ
what is the PM report? Have you got a copy of the report? Pass on. Hey. This cause of death is craniocerebral injury. Because the head injury, the external injury, more detailed description of injury. External injury, pratham injury is stitched wound over the vortex of the head. Second is a contusion on the left arm. Third are the contusion on the right suprascapular area. So this particular head injury is the cause of death.
Right.
And it is attributed to a
Bipin
particular
Maan.
person. Bipin. Bipin is the petitioner in which
Not
He's-
manufactured, not five.
that of Okinandi.
No.
On Koive. Or the learned counsel for the petition, learned counsel for the state. The learned counsel for the petitioner submit as the petitioner is in judicial custody since 25/6/2025. And the occurrence in question took place on 21/5 2025, custody since 25, 6/25 like that. As per the eyewitness account of one Surendra Mohananda, the petitioner stated to have fought hold of a deceased during the occurrence along with some others, and it was Bipin Mohananda who held a blow by means of an iron rod on the head of the deceased, Kumar Mohananda, for which he sustained injuries and was shifted to the hospital, and on the next day he died. The land council submitted that the postmortem report indicates that the cause of death was due to craniocerebral injury and its complications. It is argued that in view of the nature of overt act attributed against the petitioner during the occurrence and his period of detention in judicial custody, since in the meantime, charge sheet has already been submitted under sections. Charge sheet copy again. Charge sheet is in a name.
It is, sir. 28/2020.
14.
Dion, charge sheet again. Unexpected. Okay, charge sheet has been submitted under sections. One should have the key liquid, no? And inclined to release the petitioner on bail subject to condition. They shall not try to indulge in any criminal activity, shall not try to tamper with the evidence, appear before the London trial court on each date to which the case will be posted. Violation of any terms and conditions shall entail cancellation of it.
The custody dates will be different in two bail application, madam.
Acha, এটা প্রথম Mr.
9912 and 9913.
Just one by one I am asking. Net for them. 1073025 ro custody date কেবে?
23/5/2020.
লিখুন 23/5/2025.
2025.
Next হচ্ছে দিলীপ কুমার মহানন্দা আর রমেশ তারপর কোন?
এটা হলো 25/6/2020.
দুইজন জায়গা হবে?
আচ্ছা,
আচ্ছা 25/6/2025
2025.
তিন নম্বরটা হচ্ছে প্রসন্ন।
23/5, madam.
হ্যাঁ
23/5.
23/5
23/5.
23/5/2025 তারপরে হলো উপেন্দ্র
23/5
23/5 ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ରହିଲା ମହେଶ
সেটা 25/6.
Next.
Item number 15.
May I please, Your Lordship? Item 15, as per SI, the petitioner no longer had
Please,
I'm asking for the information.
Oh, acha.
Copy with some.
Acha. Have you filed your wakalatnama?
Item 20/10.
Na guda diyun kahanar achi wakalatnama signed with. Submits that he has already filed wakalatnama on kebe file kale
20/10.
22/10/2025. Mr. Rakesh Behera and his associates have already entered appearance for the informant on 22/10/2025. Let the registry place the wakalatnama on record. The name of the land and counsel for the informant be reflected in the cause list. And let a copy of the bail application be served on the land counsel for the informant. कौन अच्छी case diary अच्छी? कौन statement कौन अच्छी?
164 recorded already.
164 ହେଇଛି?
ଆଜ୍ଞା, ହେଇଛି।
ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଯୋଉଟା present here ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ତମେ। କୋଉ ଷ୍ଟେଜରେ ଅଛି କେସ୍ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ?
Charge sheet ହେଇନି।
ଚାଷୀ ହେଇନି?
ଆଜ୍ଞା, charge sheet ହେଇନି।
କେତେ ବର୍ଷ ଝିଅକୁ କେତେ ବର୍ଷ?
17 years at the time of occurrence. At the time of occurrence, 17.
ବିଶ୍ୱରଞ୍ଜନକୁ
More than seven.
20 ମାସରୁ फेसबुक रु चिन्हिली आमर नंबर दिया निया हैला एड़ा बंद करछे तो
May I please alert? Under offense under section 318(4) and 319(2) and 111(3) of the BNS and 66C and 66D of the IT Act. My lord, the allegation is that
साइबर क्राइम केस टा
my lord,
1495 1.954 is illegal.
आनिचंदी का कागज पत्र कारणों के Land Council for the state seek some time to produce the case diary and also obtain instruction regarding the criminal anti-Semitism. Urgent putting. Yes.
At 17.
Litigation of offence is 376 to books.
Notice 0.
To 18.
Negligence. Under the there was initial law on the 99 to 51. 78 of units and 67 of 51 and 67 of ITR. The 154 statement is not visible. The 154 statement is not visible for time.
Number 19 टा हमरो
19. It 18.
18 एटा चलची
18.
लेजिबल में अपन बार अच्छी लेजिबल
Melody once.
नहीं नहीं
154. 164 I have now. Initially melody is a fair. So
no 19
18.
लेजिबल नहीं किसी ने नहीं दो पिला अपन रखुदिले कि नहीं अपन देखो जंती जे लेजिबल में अपन जे केस डायरी जेतोले अपन को आनी देले जे रिसीव कोन पे सब रिसीव कला पॉइंट आउट कलानी से कांस्टेबल नहीं नाचुन ना केमती बताना रिसीव कौन ପାଇଁ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ये रिसीव କରୁଛି ତାକୁ ପଠେଇବେ କୋଉ ଥାନା ହଁ ଯଶୀପୁର ତା ବସ ରେ ପଇସା ଖର୍ଚ୍ଚ କରି ଯିବ କେସ୍ ଡାଏରୀ ଧରିକି ଆସିବ legible copy ଏଇ ଟାଇପ ର ତାଙ୍କୁ କହିଲେ ସେ ସବୁ ଠିକ ହେବେ सी कौन पे आसियो आउ थरे पुनी कांस्टेबल टे ठीक है सर the Land Council for the state submits that he has received the case diaries, but the statement of the victim, which is recorded under section 183 na 183 of BNS, is not legible. Therefore, we seek some time to produce the legible statement of the victim. The Land Council for the petitioner is also not having such statement with him. It is strange that the case diaries are received in the Advocate General Office, and even though the case diary are not legible, it is expected that henceforth the person who is in charge of receiving the case diary shall verify the entire case record produced by the police, and if any portion of the same is not legible, immediately steps shall be taken to obtain the legible copy, so that there will be no hindrance when the matter is taken up for orders. The copy of this order be handed over to the Land Council for the state, so that it can be placed before the Land Advocate General to pass necessary instruction. Yes.
Number 19.
My lord, vigilance case, and under section 13(1)(a), my lord. Lord, the case has been initiated against the society secretary. After his retirement of 4 years, this case has been, my lord, lost.
What post you are holding?
Secretary. Society secretary, my lord.
You have retired.
Retired, after 4 years of retirement, this case has been, my lord, lost. Alleging that between 2017 to 2021, there is some misappropriation.
What is the total amount?
11 lakh.
11 lakhs 13,970
Is the only person or anybody else? Is
in page 2.
Page 2.
Page 2, second line.
अच्छा 2017
2017.
17-18 ରୁ 20-21 ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ
are the Land Council for the and the Land Council for the Vigilance Department, Mr. Das, who has produced the written instruction received from the Deputy Superintendent.
IO of the case.
IO of the case, which is taken on the problem. The contention of the Land Council for the petitioner is that the petitioner was the secretary, na? Yes, secretary, na?
Secretary PACS.
Yes, yes.
PACS,
Annamunda PACS.
Primary
Agricultural Cooperative Society Limited.
Just a minute. Primary Agricultural Cooperative
Society Dhanamunda. District Balangir.
And he has, he is now aged about 64 years, and he has retired from service in his last 4 years. And the case has been instituted 4 years after his retirement, and the allegation against him is that during the year 2017-18, 2018-19, 2019-20, and 2020-21, he has misappropriated a total sum of rupees 11,15,970 by manipulating the entry in the day book, public cash book, and making false entry from a shortage in the cash book, day book. And the sale amount of the seats were also not taken into account, and by showing false loan deposit, which has caused loss to the society funds. The Land Council submitted that the case was instituted after the audit was conducted on the accounts, and thereafter the stop. Land Council submits that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 24/9/2025, and there is no chance of tampering with the evidence, and the case is mainly based on documentary evidence, and in view of the progress of investigation, the bail application of the petitioner may be favorably considered. Mr. Das, Land Council appearing for the Vigilance Department, has pointed out from the written instruction received that no judicial interrogation is necessary, and the petitioner was also taken in remand for interrogation. However, it is stated that the misappropriated amount has not been recovered till date. Considering the submission made by the Land Council for the respective parties, the age of the petitioner, the period of detention in judicial custody, the progress of investigation, and inclined to release the petitioner on bail subject to condition that he shall appear before the investigating officer as and when required, and shall not try to tamper with the evidence. Violation of any terms and conditions shall entail cancellation of bail.
To appear, my lord, appear before the IO as and when required for the purpose. Hon'Ble.
Yeah.
Number 20.
My lord, 20B NDPS Act, 25 kg section of
Commercial quantities, CD of EFI, criminal act, this, yes.
Item number 21.
Yes, there is a change.
and
Just a charge sheet helani.
my lord, charge sheet submitted. Charge sheet submitted.
Keberu custody ଅଛନ୍ତି କଣ?
My lord. 1/9/2024.
1/9/2024.
My lord. In the
Just a
meanwhile, my lord,
Just
some of the witnesses examined and PM report says.
wait. Charge sheet submitted under what offenses?
302, my lord.
103 ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି BNS
Yes,
103
1031.
238.
My lord.
What is 238?
201. 201. 201.
Okay, what is the date of occurrence?
Date of occurrence, my lord. AFK now 2024.
Okay, on the
Register.
same, no. What I am asking you for date of occurrence is 1/9/2024.
Mine.
That means you are taken into custody on the date of occurrence itself.
Mine.
Okay. So, what is the name of the deceased?
Name of the deceased. Subho.
फाइल ऊपर लिखा होनी कि जो गुड़ाक इम्पोर्टेंट जिनस दरकार से गुड़ाक आपण गोटे 302 केस रे बेल मूव करूछंती
शुभ माटिए
शुभ
माटिए
MAITARY.
Material.
MAITARY. अच्छा. There are, as it appears, is it a case of direct evidence or circumstantial evidence?
Circumstantial evidence.
Yes, Mr. Circumstantial evidence case.
Circumstances, some of the
Yeah, just a minute. Circumstantial evidence. What are the circumstances?
statement of Anita Behra, page 75.
Anita
Anita Behra.
Behera.
Behra.
ये को पॉइंट रखोजी.
ଯେ ଗତ 30/8 ଶୁକ୍ରବାର ଦିନ ପ୍ରାୟ ଗୋଟାଏ ସମୟରେ ମୁଁ ଘର ବାଟ ମୁହଁରେ ଥିଲି।
Together, the deceased went to bath, and sometimes thereafter the petitioner went. That is the case. That is one aspect, which the prosecution may be trying to bring it within last scene. So, how can achi last scene?
Confessional statement.
Confessional statement before
Alok Sahu and one Mino Ketana Prabhu.
Is it in the presence of police or
In presence of police.
Police? Sergeant. How can achi kon? Any recovery at the instance of? कौन अच्छी अपना नारे?
Pilot to say, you got
And the two criminal antecedents is there.
की प्रकार केस?
Two criminal antecedents. Nakti developed case number 108.
witnesses.
Under section 307. And another is Nakti developed case number 165, 307. Telling with other.
There are 307 IPC cases.
Minor.
What is the position of those cases? You are not aware about it.
No, so that's a bail fight.
Huh?
Bail fight.
File comprehensive affidavit. The learned counsel for the state has produced the case diary and submitted that there are two cases against two criminal antecedents against the petitioner, and both are under section 307 of the IPC. Let the learned counsel for the petitioner obtain instruction relating to the status of those cases and file a comprehensive affidavit serving copy on the learned counsel of the state. Yes, next.
Item number 22.
And the petitioner 25 years old. The initially case also registered under section 64.
Yes, diary available.
Charge sheet submitted. Charge sheet submitted, only allegation that the most of the
164 mile. 164 mile.
यार बहुत से थे
25.
25.
I got a page 14 to 36. It came ready, it got money from me. I have paid the money by way of getting phone pay and the cash. Huge amount. Again, and I made he also demanded. Both are living in a building. Both are a major. And initially, Judge City Yes, I'll be 64, subsequently charge sheet is submitted
Since
69.
when you are in custody?
My lord,
Since when the petitioner is?
29,
29.
25/9.
Okay.
114.
25/9/2025.
My lord,
Charge sheet submitted.
that's it.
What are the offences, Mr.?
69.
69. 64/12, 351.
No, charge sheet put reach more.
69.
Charge sheet copy diyon.
35.
Three 51 3 টা কোন?
506. 506.
Or the land council for the petition, land council for the state. Considering the submission made by the land council for the petition, that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 25/9/2025. पच्चीस 2025 तो
My lord,
and he has been charged under section 69 and 351/3 of BNS. After going to the 183 BNS statement of the victim, who is aged about 25 years.
my lord.
And other materials available on record produced by the land council for the state, from which it appears that the victim and the petitioner were keeping physical relationship with each other since long, on the assurance given by the petitioner to marry the victim. I'm inclined to release the petitioner on bail subject to condition that he shall not try to tamper with the evidence, shall not try to come in contact with the victim, appear before the learning trial court on his state with the case would be posted. Violation of any terms and conditions shall entail cancellation of bail.
Commitment है कि item number है नहीं इसकी number होगी काफी commitment है कि
Court in session रहेगा
My-
court. Yes, next.
Item number 23.
Item number 650.
6 books are movies. Yes.
Item 24.
Please, your lordship. Initially, the FIR was registered under section 420, 406 and 506 of the IPC, which is at annexure 1.
My
lord, no case did not receive.
Land council for the states some time to produce the case diary. Put of this matter. Here before the signed bench. Yes, next.
Yes, can your lordship fix up a date? That's the only.
Yes.
Can your lordship may fix a date? Before
No,
the
it is to go to the assigned bench.
No, it's a-
Just for temporary. Yes, next.
Well, it's made it for next week if your lordship will.
I
post it.
cannot say anything.
Item 25.
Item 25.
My lord, I have not received the case diary. Rejection order shows that the injured has sustained a grievous injury and the petitioner has 2 criminal incidents.
It is to file the injury report is there, my lord. Petitioner sustained 2 injury, one is on elbow.
Informant is one Pitambar Naik.
Yes, my lord.
And he has submitted the FIR wherein he stated that he was returning along with his cows to the house. At that time, accused abused him in filthy language, assaulted him by means of a bamboo stick. on his hand, head and both thighs. Okay. Right hand was broken, sustained bleeding injury on the head, swelling injury on the both the thigh. So that is how the case was registered. 341, 294, 23, 325, 307. And you are also involved in more far PSPS number 300, of course, that is 290 for minor offense.
1506 and 1498.
498. On injury, kon achu?
Injury on elbow, which was grievous in nature, and another is forehead, which is simple in nature.
Has he been discharged from the hospital?
Yes, yes.
That is that I have not received
The
the.
case of 24, my lord.
Oh, 24. You are taken into custody when?
6/8/2025, my lord.
Huh?
6/8/2025.
Absconder.
6/8/2025. On the date of evidence, he was forwarded
So
to
charge sheet was submitted.
Yes, my lord. Charge sheet filed.
Under what offense?
Same offense, my lord.
341,
294,
294.
323, 325.
Card declaring counsel for the petitioner, land counsel for the state. Considering the submission made by the land counsel for the petition, so the petition is in judicial custody since 6/8/25 now,
Yes, ma'am.
and he has been charge sheeted under section.
I'm
341.
annexed 3 is the charge sheet.
Oh, charge sheet reached in the.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
26.
341, 294, 323, 325, 307, IPC. And though the injured has sustained one previous injury on the elbow, and another simple injury on the forehead,
Yes, ma'am.
but he has been discharged from the hospital since long. The land counsel for the petitioner has produced the injury report of the of Pitambar Naik, who is the informant in the case.
Yes, ma'am.
My lord.
Is the informant in the case, which is taken on record. The land counsel for the state submits that there are 2 criminal antecedents against the petitioner.
And I have also not received the case diary. I have also not received the case diary.
One is under section 294, 323, 506, and the other is under section 498, 323, 294, 506, IPC and section 4 of the PR, which will be evident from the rejection order. And after going through the first information report, copy of the charge sheet, which has been annexed to the bail application, and also the injury report, I'm inclined to release the petitioner on bail. Will appear before the London trial court on each date to which the case shall be.
Can I mention?
That's fine.
Now, yes,
Can I mention?
yes.
In item 24, which my learned friend
Very
said,
nice.
there it's a case of, it is pending in the OPID court. So therefore, we have served copies both on the state and on the OPID council. The IO is standing me lots outside.
I don't know what the IO case diary with
Next,
not with
please.
12 crores fraud.
Item number.
Number 26.
26 years.
There is no offense under OPID Act, so special counsel.
Register item number 26 years.
Yes, notice.
Six of the POCSO Act and 3 SC/ST Act.
Notice.
So there is notice given. Yeah. Okay.
Item number 27.
It's a case, my lord, where at the bottom of the press marketplace, my lord. The other side came and passed urine in front of my shop.
Have you received the case diary?
Yes, my lord. One injury grievous in nature, no criminal antecedent, custody since 23/8/2020.
Just a minute. What are these offenses?
Offenses, my lord, 296 new, 296, 115 food.
No, that I have seen, but what are the corresponding?
109,307.
307, the locksmith.
307 is the main offense.
Yes.
You can see the injury, but most of the injuries are simple. One injury is grievous, but
What is the name of the injured?
answer.
Injured is my lord, Khirod Kumar.
Sahoo.
My lord.
I have given the injury report. Simple
The
injury.
report.
Only one injury is my lord here. That is, and he's.
Tibia fabula.
Yes, ma'am.
There are four simple injuries.
Yeah. And assault by lathi, not any lethal weapon.
Since when you are in custody?
23/8/25.
What is the stage of investigation?
600.
Person. Heard Mr. Hon'Ble Naik, senior advocate, appearing for the petitioner. Considering the submission, upon kind bail move considering the submission made by the Land Council for the petitioner that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 23/8/2025, and the injured S.K.Sahoo has sustained 4 simple injuries. Copy of the injury report filed and taken on record. And in the meantime, charge sheet has already been submitted under section 296, 115, 235, and 109, bracket 1 of the BNS Act. I'm inclined to release the petitioner and to allow next.
Next time I'll send them. So
Item number 28.
Okay, I have not received the case diary. In this, due to gunshot, one Rama Padi died.
Is there 9?
Yes.
Land Council for the state 6 some time to produce the case diary of criminal antecedent. No, he has turned to 302, what he said.
No, the accused trying to kill the injured, but another person died.
Another person died, no?
Yes.
Died at 30280. No.
On that case, he has already released one
You do not know, let him produce the case diary soon. So that means you have got another case also against. Yes, next.
Item number 29.
Item 29.
40 kg ganja.
On behalf of Mr. Prahlad Sahu, I pray for next agreement.
Acha, commercial quantity, it CD or criminal antecedent. Next.
Item 30.
Eta pokso achi
Pokso my lord, notice. I received the case diary.
No, ठीक है, notice टा ये साफ
Yes.
कर दियो. Land Council for the state submits that he has received the case diary. But since the offence is under section 6 pokso notice कर दियो. Yes, next.
Item 31.
31.
My lord, kindly action for one.
What modification you want?
Certified copy apply is what asking.
Modification টা এটা dispose of bail application টা. Largely should be graciously pleased to modify the order dated so to the extent he shall appear before the learning trial court on each date when the case should be posted for trial. कौन condition थिला? Appear before the investigating officer. ସେତେବେଳେ ଇନଭେଷ୍ଟିଗେସନ ଚାଲିଥିଲା ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ କୁହା ହେଇଥିଲା ଯେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଦରକାର ହବ ଇନଭେଷ୍ଟିଗେସନ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ତ ସେ ନାହିଁ ଆଉ ମଡିଫାଇ କଣ କରିବେ Shall appear before the learned trial court on each date. You want it to modified on the date of hearing. All right, IN number so and so. This is an application for modification of the order dated such and such. The Land Council for the petitioner submits that at the time of grant of bail, condition was imposed inter alia that the petitioner shall appear before the learned trial court on each date when the case would be posted for trial. He submits that after a release on bail till date, the petitioner has been appearing in person before the learned court below, even though he is suffering from illness and a lot of hardship. Until that, no charge has been framed, and therefore the order be modified that the petitioner shall appear before the learned trial court on each date to be posted for trial. Learned counsel for the state has no serious objection. Accordingly, the order dated 28/1/2021 is modified to the extent that instead of appearing before the learned trial court on each date when the case would be the same order pila, the case would be posted for trial. Pila to say account perform modify account change shall appear on the case.
Personal appearance each date
ଆପଣ ବୋଧେ ପଢି ନାହାନ୍ତି ସେ condition ଟା ଥିଲା shall appear before the learned trial court on each date when the case would be posted for trial. So ନଥିଲା ଯେ ସବୁଦିନ appear କରିବାକୁ ମନେକର ଆଜି ଅଛି for other purpose you need not appear. Suppose but when the case would be posted for trial, so you are to appear and you want it to be modified to same thing that he shall appear before the learned trial court in each date when the case would be posted for trial. Same category. Submit and the prayer is like this. I find that there is nothing to be modified because the order is already there that the petitioner shall appear before the learned trial court on each date when the case would be posted for trial. Accordingly, IA is disposed of. Yes.
Item 32.
Appear in each date, my lord. So then the
And बुझी पढ़ना दी posted for trial पर it is made clear that the petitioner shall not be insisted to appear on other dates on which date the case is not posted for trial. Yes, next.
Item 32.
32, my lord, I have served the copy of the property documents to the OPAD council manager. He has to take instruction. 22nd, they have served a copy of the list.
You want some time to verify the learned council for the अपनो ना तो नहीं इतने but अच्छा so submits that the IA number so for modification of the order to that he has received certain documents relating to the property security from the learned council for the petitioner and he has already sent and he has to obtain instruction on those documents and therefore the matter will be taken up on some other day. List this matter whenever I am sitting single. The instruction be obtained in the meantime. Now they use so that it will appear. Yes.
Item 33.
In item 33, at order dated 12/9/2025, my lord directed to obtain instruction regarding the order passed in the WA filed by the state, my lord. Final glance, my lord. Twice the matter listed but not reached. On 2/7/2025 and 8/8/2025.
Read appeal at a court, Ramo court list uchi.
No,
On bench, on the bench. Upon press purna the content petition the file if you are not obtaining any order and merely filing a writ appeal would not do, they will proceed with the rightly they have filed the contempt petition. The order is in their favor. Why they should do it unless you if you have filed the writ appeal, you are not pressing the same. You must bring it to the notice of the land and presiding the honorable judges that contempt petitions are pending and the council is pressing for that contempt petition. So this matter may be taken out. Either it will be taken out for admission, notice, whatever it may be. But okay, I'm giving you another date.
I will be allowed, your lordship.
Yes.
In this batch of contempt application,
We have seen that.
there's a delay of 300 days, your lordship. Delay has not been condoned till date.
No.
It's an order 2023, your lordship.
That you have already entered appearance.
Yes, your
So
lordship.
you must have filed also the objection to the
Yes,
delay
your lordship.
application. So you also praise when the state is taking adjournment in that writ appeal. You oppose that I have filed the content petition and every time it is moved, the ground has been taken that writ appeal is pending.
Pursuant to July 2025, Your Lordship, this database is not been listed also.
Filed memo, are my lord, insist karo.
We also are right. Like I was reading to your guidance, Lordship, kind.
I am directing the writ appeal to be listed at another year. The Land Council for the state submits that the writ appeals as mentioned in the order dated. Yes, writ appeals as mentioned in the order dated. Who order in
Order number 7, 12/9/25.
12/9/25. 12/9/2024.
5.
I have listed twice. That is on 2/7/2025 and on 8/8/2025. But it could not be taken out. He has produced the case details after obtaining the same from the High Court website. The Land Council for the petitioner submits that there is more than 300 days delay in filing such a writ appeal, and though an application has been filed for condonation of delay, he has filed objection to such application. But the case, the writ appeals are not been listed after 8/8/2025. In view of the submission made by the Land Council for the respective parties, it is open to the both side to make a mention before the appropriate bench take up the writ appeal at an earliest. Put up this matter on such and such date. Both the Land Council shall apprise this court about the status of such writ appeals. Next.
Let them also take instruction whether they comply or not, Your Lordship. Because in the affidavit which they have filed through cause reply, they have asked for 2 months' time.
The Land Council for the state shall also obtain instruction as to whether the order dated so and so passed by this court in WPC number so and so has been complied with in the meantime or not. Yes, next.
Good.
Item number 34.
Lordship, as the opposite parties had not entered, they have entered appearance, but none of them were present. Matter for cancellation of bail, Your Lordship.
Somebody has entered appearance?
Yes, Your Lordship. But last date.
S.K. Naik, advocate 2. What is the ground for cancellation?
Your Lordship, the ground for cancellation is that one of the conditions was that he did not in the.
Let us see the bail order.
Yes.
Where is it? Page number?
Page 23/12/2024.
Of which condition he has flouted? Huh?
Your Lordship,
Shall not indulge in criminal activities, shall appear before the Land Trial
The
Court
first
on the
condition.
state. Who condition?
the first condition.
First.
First.
Is a case institute ହେଇଛି?
Again, case institute ହେଇଛି, that is at the next.
जो जाजपुर टाउन पीस अच्छा ता केबे इंस्टीट्यूट ହେଲା 17/1/2025
Again.
बेल ऑर्डर टा होची 23/12/2024 आरो कोन स्टेटस कोन अछि
Charge sheet file ହେଇଛି.
चार्ज शीट ହେଇଗଲା
ପାଇଛି.
चार्ज शीट ହେଇଗଲା आपण
Yes, instruction I have received, charge sheet file.
और रिक्वायर्ड गले कोन अच्छा is this against the same person?
The same person.
That means the offense was committed against the person who was the informant in the case in which he was granted bail.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes, S.K. Naik kid.
S.K. Naik के
सुकांत कुमार नायक लिखा है और कौन लगा है कि किंतरा जेना सुश्री सुनील कांत नायक ए मल्लिक फोन नंबर दिया फोन नंबर दिया हाँ दिया
Okay. Okay.
सुकाम नायक का फोन नंबर दिया फोन ने लगे
Is 22 lakhs as it is come in the charge sheet. But that also, your lordship had granted bail on the same day charge sheet had been filed. So they have made a submission that the misappropriation amount is only 1 lakh.
1 lakh to लिखाई
Kintu
so far as the petitioner is concerned, it is 1 lakh and offences are triable by magistrate, and that is how the bail was granted, although also taking in that he was in custody since 27/9/24. That means he had remained by then about 3 months.
Yes, sir.
So 3 months custody, magistrate tribal offence, 1 lakh is the cheated amount. That is how the bail was granted. But be that as it may, if it is against the same person, then obviously that is allegation कौन आसिला then कौन करछन
Allegation होची
subsequently जो केस टा हला
एथरे allegation होची तार petitioner एपे present petitioner गोटे petrol pump अछि तो से जाय कि से petrol pump रे तांको धमका धमकी करछ
But law in this regard is something different. Grant of bail is rule, cancellation is exception.
He is misutilizing the liberty. That is why I am asking you whether it is a separate incident, because the condition that was imposed is that he shall not indulge in any criminal activities. He is not only indulging in criminal activities, but against the very same person to whom he had cheated, and he has been granted bail, and he is going to his petrol pump and threatening him. So that is how the FIR has been lodged, and that was also investigated upon, and it was found to be correct, the allegation. That's how the charge sheet was submitted, and cognizance must have been taken.
Yes.
In the meantime. Yes, what is the
As intimated.
which name? कौन पहले ऑप्शन भी कौन है निमंत्रण को नहीं होना सब कौन से
Instruction.
Data offense charge sheet. Okay, I'm passing the order. I'm because I may sit next Friday also. I'm passing the. He has to file his stokers. He has not filed to the bail cancellation. So if he has, there is already an order. He has not filed. Tell him that the land council for the petition is not present on repeated call. The land council for the state has produced written instruction received from the DSP in charge Jajpur police station relating to the status report of Jajpur PS case number 23 of 2025, which indicates that on completion of investigation, charge sheet has been submitted against the opposite party, number 2, Deepak Kumar Jena, under section 351 bracket 2 296 of BNS. The report produced by the Land Council for the state is taken on record. Matter will be listed in my next sitting. Objection, if any, be filed in the meantime. For this, देखियो अभी जैसे पास हो